We're here at JCPenney, here at the Vancouver Mall in Vancouver, Washington. This music sucks. But, hey Jared, I wonder what this used to be. Here it is. That's right, this used to be a US elevator. Got mod with innovation in the 90s. Upper level. Interesting. Close the door. There we go. So that was my Apple Watch. 4,000 pounds. I hate this music. It's definitely a pretty nice elevator. I believe the mall was built in the 70s, 80s, so on there. Look at that. US Braille's. So this was a US. Because it doesn't look like a US, but it was a US. I hate these innovation buttons here. There we go. 4,000 pounds, these are buttons here. Very low level. Simply weird one.
Sorry.
That's like a US track. That's interesting.
There we go.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, he just closed. He's gonna videotape the doors closing.
Okay.
That music's annoying, but there goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.